Hello viewers, in central nervous system, let us learn about sedatives and hypnotics. This is the first part of this topic. Sedative is a drug that reduces excitement and calms the person, whereas hypnotic is a drug that produces sleep which is resembling normal sleep. Tranquilizer is a drug that reduces tension and anxiety without drowsiness or sleep. The phases of sleep include NREM or the non-rapid eye movement sleep and REM, that is the rapid eye movement sleep. NREM sleep is divided into stages 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Normally, 50% of sleep time is spent in stage 2. Slow wave sleep includes stages 3 and 4. REM sleep constitutes 30% of the sleep time and lasts for 5 to 30 minutes in each cycle of sleep. Here you see the graph of sleep cycle and its various stages. The REM sleep and the non-REM sleep, which is having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 stages. Sleep disorders and their treatment. In insomnia or lack of sleep, there are of three types. Transient insomnia, which is less than 3 days. Short-term insomnia, which is from 3 days to 3 weeks. And long-term insomnia, which is for more than 3 weeks. For all this, the treatment is sedatives and hypnotics. Hyperinsomnia or narcolepsy, for this the treatment is amphetamine, modafinil and amitriptyline. For nocturnal enuresis or bedwetting, the treatment is tricyclic antidepressants. Sedatives and hypnotics classification. They include benzodiazepines, which have hypnotics, that is a diazepam, flurazepam, nitrazepam, flunitrazepam, temazepam, triazolam, and midazolam. Anti-anxiety agents include diazepam, chlordiazepoxide, oxazepam, lorazepam, and alprazolam. Anticonvulsants include diazepam, clonazepam, and clobazam. Classification of sedatives and hypnotics also includes barbiturates, which are of long-acting type, that is the phenobarbital, mifebarbital. Short-acting type, that is the pentobarbital and secobarbital. Ultra-short-acting include thiopentone and methotrexate. Non-benzodiazepine hypnotics, these include zolpidem, zopiclone, zaleplon, and azopiclone. Melatonin receptor agonist, that is the ramelteon. Miscellaneous agents include chloral hydrate, promethazine, neuroleptics, opioids, etc. Benzodiazepines. All benzodiazepines have a benzene ring fused to a 7-membered diazepine ring. The site of action is in the midbrain, that is the ascending reticular formation, limbic system, brainstem, etc. This is the structure of benzodiazepines. This is the diagram of GABA receptor. Here you can see there is barbiturate site and also a benzodiazepine receptor site. In this benzodiazepine receptor site, the agonist is diazepam. The antagonist to this drug, that is flumazenil, which is also attaching here. And there is an inverse agonist, that is the beta-carbolin, where the drug is DMCM. This is the chloride channel. Mechanism of action of benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepine, it binds to specific site on GABA A receptor and it facilitates the action of GABA. It potentiates the inhibitory effects of GABA. It increases the frequency of opening of chloride channel, which causes increase in chloride conductance, followed by membrane hyperpolarization, and this leads to CNS depression. Effects of various drugs on benzodiazepine receptor. As we already saw, the agonist benzodiazepines, they cause sedation, hypnosis, anti-anxiety effects, anticonvulsant effects, and muscle relaxation. The antagonist flumazenil blocks and reverses the effect of benzodiazepines. The inverse agonist, that is the beta-carbolin group, which includes drugs like DMCM, they cause arousal, anxiety, increased muscle tone, and convulsions. Pharmacological actions and use of benzodiazepines. They include sedation and hypnosis. At present, benzodiazepines are preferred to barbiturates for the treatment of short-term insomnia because they have a wide therapeutic index, they cause near normal sleep, they produce minimal hangover effects, they cause minimal respiratory depression, They are less likely to cause tolerance and dependence when used for short period. They have no enzyme inducing property. They have a specific benzodiazepine receptor antagonist, that is flumazenil. The other actions and uses of benzodiazepines include: it is an anticonvulsant, it is used for diagnostic, that is endoscopic and other minor operative procedures. It is used for pre-anesthetic medication and general anesthesia. It has anti-anxiety or the anxiolytic effect. It is used as muscle relaxant, which is centrally acting to treat alcohol withdrawal symptoms. It is also used for conscious sedation. Pharmacokinetics of benzodiazepines. They are usually given orally, intravenously, and even occasionally by rectal route, that is diazepam in children. The rate of absorption following oral route is variable, erratic from intramuscular site of administration. They have a large volume of distribution. They have a short duration of action on occasional use due to rapid redistribution. So they are free of hangover effects. Oxazepam is significantly metabolized in liver. Benzodiazepines can cross the placental barrier. Adverse effects of benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines have a wide margin of safety and they are generally well tolerated. But the common side effects include drowsiness, confusion, blurred vision, amnesia, disorientation, tolerance, and drug dependence. Withdrawal after chronic use can cause tremor, insomnia, restlessness, nervousness, and loss of appetite. The other adverse effects include: use during labor may cause floppy baby syndrome, that is, it causes respiratory depression and hypotonia. In some patients, they may produce paradoxical effects like convulsions, anxiety. Inverse agonist beta-carbolin, its interaction with benzodiazepine receptors will produce anxiety and convulsions. Important features of benzodiazepines. Diazepam, which can be given orally, intravenously, intramuscularly and rectally. It is given 5 to 10 milligrams. It is rapidly absorbed from gastrointestinal tract. It produces active metabolites. There are no residual effects on occasional use due to redistribution. It is used to control convulsions, but not for long-term therapy of epilepsy because of rapid development of tolerance to anticonvulsant effect. Flurazepam, which is useful in insomnia, it causes hangover effects. Nitrazepam, it is useful in insomnia. Residual effects are less on occasional use. Oxazepam, it is slowly absorbed. There is no active metabolite. It can be used in patients with liver disease. It is mainly used as anti-anxiety agent. Lorazepam, which can be given orally, intramuscularly and also intravenously. The dose is 0.5 to 2 milligrams. Here the rate of GI absorption is low. There is no active metabolite. Anticonvulsant effect lasts longer than with diazepam because it is less lipid soluble and redistribution is slow. It is mainly used as anticonvulsant, anti-anxiety and for pre-anesthetic medication. It is less irritant, hence thrombophlebitis is rare on IV administration. Alprazolam, it is given orally 0.5 to 2 milligrams. It is useful in insomnia. It produces active metabolite. It has anti-anxiety and antidepressant effects. Triazolam, it has rapid onset of action. It is short acting. It is mainly used for insomnia as it reduces sleep latency. Midazolam, it is given by intravenous and intramuscular route. The intravenous dose is 1 to 2.5 milligrams. It has rapid onset of action and it is short acting. It is used in pre-anesthetic medication, intravenous general anesthesia when combined with other CNS depressants, in status epilepticus when not responding to other drugs. Chlordiazepoxide, it is given by oral, intramuscular and intravenous route. The dose is 50 to 100 milligrams. It has a slow oral absorption. It produces active metabolite. It is long lasting. It is used in alcohol withdrawal and anxiety. Benzodiazepine antagonist, that is flumazenil. Flumazenil competitively reverses the effects of both benzodiazepine agonists, that is CNS depression, and benzodiazepine inverse agonist, that is CNS stimulation. It has high first pass metabolism, so not useful orally. It is given by intravenous route and it has rapid onset of action. Uses of benzodiazepine antagonist flumazenil. It is used in the treatment of benzodiazepine overdosage. It is used to reverse the sedative effect of benzodiazepines during general anesthesia. It can reverse the sedative effect of zolpidem, zaleplon, etc. The adverse drug reactions include confusion, dizziness, nausea. It can precipitate withdrawal symptoms like anxiety, convulsions in dependent subjects. These are my various references. Thank you.